This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Laura C. Norrit. Move-in ready home with private fenced yard on a cul-de-sac with 2-car garage and extended driveway. Split floor plan with updated kitchen with granite and newer stainless steel appliances. Master bedroom has a huge walk-in closet. Roof is 2018 with a 10-year warranty which is transferable. Hurricane shutters included. There is 24-hour man-gated security. Community pool and kids playground in subdivision. Enclosed large patio for entertaining. Walking distance from Eagle Point Elementary. Close to I-75, restaurants and shopping. 30 minutes drive to the beach. Live in Weston, a desirable family area with top-rated schools. For more information, review the details below or contact Laura C. Norrit at 954-369-0384.